Hey everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day as I am. Before I get started, as always, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload videos. For this video, I will be unboxing my first ever official full silicone practice hand. You guys, it took me close to a year to open my practice hand, and I bought it back in May 2020. Okay, so looks like the first thing that decided to come out is a replacement bag, which includes 50 tips of each size. They are long, squared shape, and the color is natural. They have the number 4, which is for the middle finger, the number 0 for the thumb, number 5 for the pointer, and number 8 for the pinky. The first thing I see, it comes with the how-to instructions, how to use the silicone hand finger. We have a ring, and it's shiny, and also I see back here, it's a bracelet. I believe these are complimentary and it doesn't include to the hand price. In other words, it's a gift from them to us, and it's so pretty. And here she is. It's the right hand side, and I got it posable in the color April. I think it kind of matches my skin tone color. I mean, just look at this, y'all. It looks super real, and it's almost the same size of my hand. It is 100% silicone, fully flexible, and very soft. Not to mention, the cuticle area has a pocket, and the nail tips can go in as deep as you can from the looks of it. I also purchased glue tabs for the silicone hand. These can also be applied to the natural nail if you use press-on nails. It's time to make her pretty and place the nail tips on, but we also need to come up with a name for her. So that means comment down below, what name should we give her? I'm also going to do a giveaway soon, so stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching and stay blessed. Until next time.